Yeah, I dyed my hair. I pierced and it's Jacob.
Hello? Which register to play? Hello, miss?
Miss? What do you mean, miss?
Sorry. Cold. Which register complaint?
We're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish you would make a complaint about his parents. I purchased another half hour ago. That was very boutique.
Let me see the parrot. Ah, yes, the Norwegian blue. Oh, what's wrong with it?
Tell you what's wrong with him, my lad. He's dead, that's what's wrong with him.
I know, it's interesting.
Look, Minnie, I know. I did hurt when I see one. And I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead. He's just resting. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue. Beautiful plumage.
Plumage does not enter it. He's so dead.
No, he's just resting.
All right, then. Listen, I'll come over to my... Hello, Mr. Bunny Parrot. I've got lovely fresh television for you to show.
He just moved.
No, you didn't. That was just you getting the cake.
I never!
Yes, you did.
I never did anything.
Hello, Bunny. Testing. This is United Consonant.
No, he's stunned. You stunned him.
Stunned.
Yeah, you stunned him. He was just waking up. The Norwegian blue is stunned easily, Major.
Oh, no, young mate. I've definitely had enough of this. This air is definitely deceased. It was such a long ago. You surely there's no nice moment for soon to be tired and shagged out, follow your prolonged squat.
Well, he's probably pining for the fjords of Norway.
Pining for the fields? What kind of talk is that? Look, what if I brought him back the moment I got home?
The Norwegian blue prefers keeping on his back. Remarkable bird, Squire, the lovely plumage.
Look, I took the liberty of examining the parent the moment I got home. I discovered the only reason that this is another person's birthplace was that it had been nailed there.
Well, of course it was nailed there. If it hadn't been, the bird would be down. It would have nuzzled up to those bars, into my pot with its beak, and boom, off he goes.
Boom!